Question number 1 is, what is the impact of industrial pollution on the environment? Answer to question number 1 is, industrial pollution leads to air, water and soil contamination, harming human health and wildlife. Question number 2 is, what is thermal pollution? Answer to question number 2 is, thermal pollution occurs when industries discharge hot water or chemicals into water bodies, harming aquatic life. Question number 3 is, how can industrial waste be managed? Answer to question number 3 is, by recycling, treating waste before disposal and using eco-friendly technologies. Question number 4 is, what is the role of small-scale industries in rural areas? Answer to question number 4 is, small-scale industries provide employment and reduce migration from rural to urban areas. Question number 5 is, name 2 cottage industries in India. Answer to question number 5 is, handloom weaving and pottery making. Question number 6 is, what is the contribution of food processing industry? Answer to question number 6 is, it helps preserve food, add values and creates jobs in agriculture. Question number 7, why is the jute industry important in India? Answer to question number 7 is, India is the largest producer of jute and the industry provides jobs and export earnings. Question number 8 is, where are most jute industries located in India? Answer to question number 8 is, West Bengal, especially around Kolkata. Question number 9 is, what are knowledge-based industries? Answer to question number 9 is, industries that rely on skilled workers and advanced technology like IT and biotechnology. Question number 10 is, what is Special Economic Zone, SEZ? Answer to question number 10 is, SEZ is a designated area where businesses get tax benefits to encourage industrial growth. Question number 11 is, why are special economic zones important? Answer to question number 11 is, SEZs attract investment, boost exports and create jobs. Question number 12 is, what is the electronic industry? Answer to question number 12 is, the electronic industry manufactures products like computers, smartphones and TVs. Question number 13 is, name 2 major centers for electronic industry in India. Answer to question number 13 is, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Question number 14 is, what is the role of the cement industry in infrastructure development? Answer to question number 14 is, the cement industry provides materials for constructing buildings, roads and dams. Question number 15 is, which state in India is the largest producer of cement? Answer to question number 15 is, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 16 is, what is the impact of the automobile industry on pollution? Answer to question number 16 is, the automobile industry contributes to air pollution through vehicle emissions. Question number 17 is, how can the pollution from industries be reduced? Answer to question number 17 is, by using cleaner technologies, improving waste management and following environmental laws. Question number 18 is, what is the leather industry? Answer to question number 18 is, the leather industry processes animal hides to make products like shoes, belts and bags. Question number 19 is, name 2 cities in India known for the leather industry. Answer to question number 19 is, Kanpur and Chennai. Question number 20 is, what is the main factor that influences the location of industries? Answer to question number 20 is, availability of raw materials, water, power, labor and market access. Question number 21 is, what is the sugar industry? Answer to question number 21 is, the sugar industry processes sugarcane to produce sugar and related products. Question number 22 is, where are most sugar industries located in India? Answer to question number 22 is Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Question number 23 is what is the role of government policies in industrial growth? Answer to question number 23 is government policies provide support, incentives and infrastructure for industries to grow. Question number 24 is what is the significance of industrial clusters? Answer to question number 24 is industrial clusters encourage collaboration, reduce cost and improve efficiency by grouping similar industries. Question number 25 is how does globalization affect Indian industries? Answer to question number 25 is globalization opens up international markets, encourages competition and attracts foreign investment. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks a lot. God bless you.